Hello everybody, I'm back. Nat ain't been very well all last week. It's a really bad tooth infection. And it just wasn't fair doing some videos when you're in so much pain. It wasn't fair. She has an S all week. She started getting a bit better Friday night. But she hasn't really yet. All she's been having is like soup and cereal. That's all she's been having, a bit of Rice Krispies. Just something to pull in a gob, because she couldn't really chew or anything, or put anything in her mouth properly, bless her. But today, she says to me the other day, she really fancies a jacket spud. And I said, well, let's do a jacket spud. So we're going to be doing a chilli and cheese jacket spud, guys. Absolutely delicious. I'll get it all mushed up so she can just put it in a gob, because she's still got a little bit of pain. And whether she can eat the skin, the crispy skin, I don't know. We'll find out at the end. So, nice and simple. So let me show you what we're doing. So I've got 3 spuds, guys. 3 of us are having them. Nat and I and one of the lads is having a jacket spud. I've already washed them. So what we're going to do, get some holes in. Obviously, we know how to do jacket spuds, don't we? And we're going to get them in the microwave for like 10-15 minutes to get nice and soft. Now I'm going to do mine in the oven. I'm going to do them a little bit slower. But obviously it's the same we do them in the air fryer, innit? You know what I mean? But we'll get some holes in these first before we start. And we'll get them in the microwave for about 10 or 15 minutes. Okay guys, next we're going to prepare the seasoning for the skin. Now I'm going to use cayenne pepper, paprika, garlic granules, and a bit of oil. So we're going to get probably a tablespoon of each in. Cayenne pepper, paprika. We got a nice crispy skin. And some garlic granules. I was going to use the stuff I got from B&M, but I haven't got none. Garlic and herb, which I love to put on jacket spuds, but I've run out, so I'm going to have to grab some. And a bit of oil. And we'll give that a mix. I've got the oven on warming up. Jacket potatoes are in the old microwave. And we're just going to season the skin with all that, guys. I'll stick it all in and rub them all around, and then we can get them in the oven and get on with the good old chilli. Okay guys, potatoes are done. They've been in about a couple of minutes, so they're still hot. We're going to get them into the seasoning. And we're going to coat them over. It's going to be delicious skin, this is, I reckon. And we'll get them straight onto a hot tray. And I'll do the other 2 of them. And there's the last one. And what we'll do with the rest of that, we will brush it over. Waste not, want not, eh? Get all that goodness on. Oh, yes. Do love a jacket spud. We've had a good few days, haven't we? Nice warm days. I hope it stays like it for a bit. There's them. And we just want to put a little cross at the top of the spuds, and I've got mine on 180 degrees, guys, and I'm going to cook it, well, until everything is nice and crispy. Okay guys, onto the chilli. I've got myself 500 gram of minced beef. The Tesco one, that is, because I found the Aldi ones and to change the packaging are absolutely terrible. A bit of salt. I've got some OXO cubes, a beef one, and a red wine stock. I'm going to do 500ml with both of them. Bit of tomato puree, chopped tomatoes, a little bit of sugar, brown sugar, bit of Worcester sauce, bit more paprika, because I do love the paprika, some chilli powder, some garlic, and 1 onion, roughly diced. That's all. I'm going to do my meat first, just to get it browned and get it drained off. I've got my pan warming up, and we will get our meat in. And we'll brown all that, guys, and then drain it. Salt me beef. All to taste, guys, innit? You know the score, don't you? You know the score. While I'm browning this off, I'm going to do boil my kettle for my water. Mince is done. Get that drained off. Obviously not down the sink, guys. Get your onions in. Turn that down a little bit. And we'll get all them nice and translucent. Okay, guys, now get your mince back in. I mean, there's loads of different ways to do chillies, isn't there? We're not putting any red kidney beans in ours or anything like that. We're just having a chilli. Tomato puree. A tablespoon or two, probably two. That'll about do us. Get that in. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of garlic in. The lazy garlic, but it's the Aldi one. Give that a mix. Get it all sort of coated. Paprika, as much or as little as you want, depending if you like it or not. About 2 tablespoons again for me. About a tablespoon of chilli powder. Don't want it too over spicy. We'll give that a mix, just to get everything coated. There we go. Tin of tomatoes in. I'm putting my 500 ml of stock in now, guys. Gonna get that a mix. Oh yes, this is gonna be delicious. I know it is. Worcestershire sauce. About a tablespoon of that and all. And I want a little bit of brown sugar, just to get that nice little sweet taste. About a tablespoon of that. And what we're going to do, guys, we're going to simmer that down now till all that juice has gone. About half an hour, I reckon. There we go, guys, that is done. I've had a little taste and it's absolutely delicious. My potatoes have got about 10 minutes. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get myself a bit of grated cheese. Good old Aldi classics. We're going to get it in here. Some in here, we're going to make it all gooey. We're going to have some more cheese on top. But for now, we'll get a bit in there. We'll give it a mix and we'll melt all the cheese into the chilli. I would have, but I haven't got any. Put a bit of Philadelphia in it. I do like a bit of Philadelphia, me. I don't have that often, either, Philadelphia. Oh, I might have to do some of that on some good old bagels or something. Oh, yes. Right, let's get all that melted, guys. And there we go, guys. Lovely bit of cheese in there now. Right, it is time to dish up. I'll do the lads first, then I'll show you ours. Okay, guys, there are my potatoes. I don't know whether the camera does it justice, but they look delicious. I've already gave the laddies, and the potatoes are lovely and soft, so. Posh plate. Posh plates, Bab.
Posh plates.
Posh plates, we haven't had them for a week. Potato. We'll cut it up. Like so. Spread it apart. A little bit of salt. A knob of butter. Leave that to melt for a second and I'll do the other one. Do like a jacket potato. We do like a jacket potato, don't we, babe?
I sure do, yeah.
You're going to have some food for once, sweetheart, ain't you?
And I'm proper looking forward to this.
You're starving, ain't you, Bab?
I sure am. I'm wasting away.
Wasting away, that is. She's wasting away. It's hot. Well, it's going to be hot in it. Bit of salt. A bit more butter. Add in there. And we'll start on this one. So we'll give it a mash, guys. Lovely soft potato, look at that. It was in there in the oven about 1 hour and 15 minutes. Oh yes. Bit of chilli on top. Do you want loads, Bab?
Not loads and loads, but just enough, thank you.
Enough to fill your belly.
Yeah, that's the one.
And a bit more cheese on top. And there we go, guys. Lovely, simple paprika and cayenne pepper, chilli, cheese, jacket spud. Jacket spuds. You want to go first, but I'm getting stuck in quickly, before you waste away. Just be careful, you old tough Bab. She's still got a bit of a, I don't know if it's an infection or whether it's hurting now, dear.
I think it's just hurting now because it's open, isn't it?
Yeah, you can't get into April, can you?
No. That's delicious.
That nice?
That's really nice, thank you. Just what I needed.
Just what you needed.
Lovely.
Let me have a crack, guys. Let me give you a closer look, actually. There we go. Obviously put on what cheese you want, don't you? Put the skin. Lovely. Yeah. You happy?
Yeah, better than soup. Soup.
Better than soup and Rice Krispies, isn't it, Bab?
Yeah, that's delicious, that is, Bab, thank
Yeah?
you. Yeah.
Just what you needed.
It's really
Good on you, sweetheart. Good to have you back, Bab. It's good to have you back. Let me have a go at this.
Yeah.
That chilli's bang on, innit? That's really nice. Nice, a little bit sweet taste as well with the sugar. Delicious. And the cheese in the middle. All gooey. Oh yes. Let's try this skin.
Yeah, you try the skin.
Yeah, I don't know if you'll be able to eat the skin or not. Even that, I can have it. You're going to have it, Bab, are you? You're going to force yourself.
I'm going to eat it. I'll eat the other side of my mouth. Crispy. Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice and crispy, that is.
That's nice.
That's got a nice kick to it.
Not too hot, just a nice little kick, hasn't it?
That's nice, Kim.
Lovely. Yeah. So there we go, guys.
Thank you.
Do another jacket spud, don't we?
Oh, yeah.
And they're cheap to make, and they can have what you want on them. Jacket spuds. We haven't had one for ages, have we, jacket spud?
Oops.
Oh, I'm well happy now. I'm well happy, guys. I'm glad I'm back to cooking as well.
Better. You've been looking after me, ain't you? Bless you, thank you.
There's nothing worse than having toothache, and there's nothing you can do, is there? No matter how many tablets you take or anything else, it's just a pain, isn't it? You couldn't sleep, anything, could you? So,
No,
bless you.
I'm feeling better, a bit better now.
Yeah, feeling better now. Get some grub down you.
Yeah.
Can't you? Yeah. Anyway, guys, there we go. Jacket spud.
It's delicious.
Nice and simple and delicious. So until the next time, we will see you later. Bye-bye, everyone.